What is up, Michael? How are you? So I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've been really busy, but today we're gonna work on some really they aren't really important. Well, they are, but they aren't like huge things in the game. We're gonna be working on objects. So right click or create an object, and you're gonna name this game controller. Well, actually name it obj underscore game controller. Why did I put a space there? And don't assign it a sprite because you don't need that. What you're going to do is you're going to add an event, and it's going to be the create event. You're going to go down to score and drag set lives to 5. Now, it really depends on your game how hard it's going to be. You can set it to whatever you want, but you're just going to set it to 5. I'm going to set it to 5. You can do whatever you want. And you're going to add another event, and I'm just going to show you this for like just for the knowledge. If you go to keyboard down here, go to letters, and so this is all on the keyboard, right? If you go down to letters or anything you want, you can do space. Actually, no. Yeah, you can do space, enter, shift, alt, control, whatever. I'm going to do letters, and if I press N, so if you do this, when N is pressed, whatever action you put in here, it will happen. So if I put, sorry, I haven't used this. Okay. If I put next room, then when I press N, it'll go to the next room. Now, whatever you put here doesn't really matter. It might make your game lag a bit, but I think you have a pretty good computer, so you don't have to worry about it. What I'm gonna do, you don't have to do this, but if next room exists, the game would check, or like the program would check if the next room exists, and if it does, it'll go to the next room. You gotta put those there. But, or else, if it doesn't, put these here again, then I will, oh my god, I can't find, there we go. I will display a message saying cheater, because they cheated. You can do whatever you want there. Display message for cheater, and then show the highest score. Press OK. Do you want me to teach you how to make fonts? You know what? I'm gonna do that after this, and I'm gonna do restart game. And I want you to go back to control and put this here. So if the M is pressed, it'll check if the next room exists, and if it does, it'll go to the next room, or else it'll display a message, blah blah blah, all that stuff. So, alright, that's cool. And then add one more event, and it's going to be, actually no, we're gonna add 2 more, sorry. This is going to be the other. You gotta press other over here, and then you go down to no more lives. No more lives. If there are no more lives, display a message. You can write whatever you want. Can't spell. Game over. I'm gonna show the high score. And I'm gonna restart the game. So if there's no more lives left, it'll display a message, show the high score table, and restart the game. Now, we're going to have one more event, and we're going to do the draw event. And here you're just going to, we'll add more things into this object later on in the game. But right now, you know what? Sorry, we aren't going to do that. Cross that out. Okay, yeah, sorry. Now I'll teach you how to use fonts. So if I right click on fonts, you can name this whatever you want. Groovy. Groovy. Oh, I can't even spell. It's not even funny. Okay, groovy font. I'm gonna just choose a random one here. Yeah. That one. Bold it. Yeah. Make it 26. No, but you can do whatever you want here. Excuse me, I just burped. But I'm not gonna create a font. You can fool around with that if you want. Now I want you to go back to the, actually no, let's go back to the sprite wrap and we're gonna duplicate it. I think I just said wrap, but whatever. You're gonna go to edit sprite and you're going to flip it like this. So this will be SPR underscore left rat. Double click on object rat and this is hard. Oh no, it isn't. So you're gonna go to key press and you're gonna go to left, which is right here. So when you press the left key, drag that there and it'll change the sprite to SPR rat. No, left rat. Then here you're going to put it as 8 and this is 1. Good. So when you press left, it'll look like it's moving to the left. It'll change into the sprite. And when you release F, when you release left, what am I saying? It'll do the same thing, but there's no sub image now. Go to key press and go to right. So when you press down on the right, you're going to the sprite is going to change to SPR rat. It's going to be 8. Nope, not 78. 8. And we're going to press OK. Now I'm going to go to release and go to right. And we're going to do the same thing. A lot of repetition. Hopefully this works. I don't know if I'm doing anything wrong. It's been a long day. Alright. So, looks like it works. Oh, by the way, I was doing that with my keyboard. It's not going to look like that. Yeah, see how that took a while to change? Yeah, it's not changing. Oh, I see. So if you press left and right at the same time, yeah, okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm pressing down on left, okay, right here, and I switch to right, and I let go. I'm gonna try and figure out how to fix that, because that shouldn't be happening. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna try and fix that right now, actually. Let's create another room, just so I know that my next thing works. Let's put the rat right here. Did I even do the next thing? The next key? I guess I didn't. I can't remember. I did, but it's not working. Was I pressing the end key? I have no idea. I'm sorry. So basically, when you're making games, there's a lot of mysteries to solve, which will be fun. So I'm pressing N, and nothing's happening. So I gotta fix that. There's gonna be a lot of things that you'll have to go back and fix. Maybe I have to delete these. That's what I think. That's what I think. Let's try that now. Oh, you know what? You know what? No. Did I even put the game controller in here? Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, go back here. Don't delete them. Hopefully you didn't. I forgot to put I do that all the time, you know? I forget to put the object in the room. So you go to the object, you go to the room. Okay, that's what I meant to say. And you just put the object wherever you want, because you won't be able to see it when you play your game. Now, let's see if it works. It doesn't. What am I doing? What am I doing wrong? What, if next room exists, go to the next room. What? Oh, what am I doing? I put it in the other room, but not this one. I'm so tired. This thing is in the way. I gotta move it. Boop. So yeah, you want to unclick, delete, underlying, and put it right there. And then you're gonna press play. Now it should work. Oh my god, I can't. I'm just. There we go. Hey. So that's the tutorial for you today. Hopefully I'll have one next really soon. I think maybe we're gonna add some enemies, and I was thinking like maybe we could add some crumbs instead of the diamonds from my last game. I don't know if you remember them, but you had to collect all the diamonds to open the doors. So if I collected all the crumbs to open the door to get the cheese, that'd be cool. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, so we might add little crumbs here and there. And some enemies. So I hope you're excited for that. I hope you don't have trouble like I did. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.